Waking up sore every morning isn't normal aging. Your cells are sending you a message. It's the same story every morning. You open your eyes and before you even move, you feel it. Stiff back, achy joints, muscles that feel like they worked all night instead of rested. It takes 20 minutes just to loosen up. Some days it never fully goes away. You remember when mornings felt different, when you could bounce out of bed without thinking about it. What changed? Most people blame age. But here's the truth. It's not just getting older. Something specific is happening in your body. Let me show you what's really going on. While you sleep, your body is built to repair. Muscles recover, joints restore, inflammation clears. This entire process is powered by mitochondria. When mitochondria are healthy, they produce enough energy for complete overnight recovery. You wake up restored and ready. But when mitochondria are damaged, recovery is incomplete. Inflammation lingers. Tissue repair falls behind. You wake up with yesterday's damage still present. And here's what makes it worse. Damaged mitochondria create more inflammation. It becomes a cycle. More damage, more inflammation, more morning pain. Every night your body falls a little further behind. The soreness accumulates. What started as occasional stiffness becomes constant pain. What damages mitochondria? Chronic stress, poor sleep quality, inflammatory foods, environmental toxins, and yes, aging plays a role too. After 30, mitochondrial function drops about 10% every decade. Your recovery capacity shrinks. Morning soreness gets worse. Pain relievers might mask the symptoms, but they don't fix the underlying problem. Your cells are still struggling. To change your mornings, support the system that powers recovery. Good news, you can nudge your mitochondria back in your favor. Protect sleep, keep a regular schedule, cooler room, darker nights, and cut blue light before bed. Lower stress, brief breathing breaks, daylight walks, and realistic workloads reduce cellular strain. Eat to repair. More protein and fiber, omega-3s, polyphenol-rich plants, fewer ultra-processed oils and sugars. Add easy movement and a few minutes of morning light to reset your body clock and support recovery. Some nutrients can help your cellular engines. Consider CoQ10 and PQQ for mitochondrial support, magnesium and B vitamins for energy metabolism, omega-3s and curcumin for inflammation balance, creatine for muscle energy, plus vitamin D and plant polyphenols. Quick note. Some recommendations may include affiliate links that support the channel at no extra cost to you. This video is educational and not medical advice. Talk with your healthcare provider about your situation. Start tonight. Better sleep, lower stress, smarter food, light and gentle movement.